Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Survey, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And yeah, please feel free to swap your characters or according to your situation. So let's see what's going on for Aquarians. Okay, we have the Three of Swords on your side, the King of Swords on your person's side, most likely outcome. The Justice, okay. So definitely somebody here, I just felt like taking the card and it shows up as the Seven of Swords. And this is the Six of Pentacles. So routinely I don't pull these cards in this format, but I just felt like so because I saw the Three of Swords here. So somebody is deeply hurt in a great agony and despair, and that is why I just had the urge to pull this card. And with the Seven of Swords, definitely some sort of deception, cheating, lies, holding secrets is going on. Anyway, here we have the King of Swords. So somebody is too cold, detached, not investing in this relationship, and that is why this person is feeling hurt. Okay, and here with the Justice, I think things will be okay, should be okay. At least some sort of justice will be done and truth will be revealed. Okay, so I'm just keeping these cards back. And with the Six of Pentacles here, somebody is trying to balance this relationship. So let's see. So let's see what's there for the Three of Swords. Chariot, the Four of Swords, the Ace of Wands. Wow, that is beautiful. Let's see what's there for the King of Swords. Okay, the King of Wands, the Sun, and the Devil. Okay, the Star. Let's see what's there for this Justice card. The Ten of Swords, the King of Swords. Both of them want to come out. The Five of Swords and the Three of Swords. Oh shit. I thought something beautiful will be there. It wants to come out. Anyway, we have to go with what is coming up in the reading. Just feel like taking one more. Okay, Page of Pentacles. So on this side with the Three of Swords, though this person is in a lot of agony, lot of despair, lot of heartbreak, but this person is trying best to heal, his or her best to heal. Okay, so I think maybe this is a past situation, perhaps, or a recent past, maybe, or in the transition. But this person is investing a lot in healing. They are trying to work on themselves. They want, though they want to have a new beginning in their life with the Ace of Swords and with the Chariot, things will move pretty fast. So, but what I feel here is that right now this person is trying to heal for the new beginning in the life. They want to have a new beginning. They really don't want this agony. They really don't want to spend more time in this negative energy or in this heartbreak energy or whatever effect this heartbreak has had on them. So this person is now, what I feel is this person is now able to deal with whatever it was, in the sense they have come to terms with, rather I should say, this person has come to terms with, okay, whatever has happened, and now I should release that and I should move ahead in my life. So that is the energy of this person, that this person is now comfortable with or has come to terms with whatever has happened and they're ready to let it go. Okay, so that is what it is. And with the Chariot being the major arcana, this person will soon get back the control of their own life in their own hands. That is what it is. And here with the King of Swords, we have the King of Wands, the Sun, the Devil, the Star. So these are the three major cards over here With the sun and the star, definitely a lot of happiness, a lot of wish fulfillment over here. King of Wands, a lot of passion is also over here. With the devil, some sort of addiction, some sort of see, what I feel here is that this person needs to release. This person has a lot of passion. Since it is a mutual relationship, I'll go that way. See, this person has a lot of passion for this person, but the thing is, maybe this is the devil card is to, and they do see you as their wish fulfillment. They really know that you give happiness to them and you bring happiness in their lives. But this King of Swords perhaps is the devil. That is what it is talking about. Maybe that is their nature for some reason, that this person needs to let go of this behavior of themselves, that they are very detached, cold, perhaps not able to open up, perhaps not able to show their emotions for whatever reason it is. Perhaps this person needs to work on this. That's what I'm getting with the devil, nothing else. Okay, but they know that you are the wish fulfillment. They know that they love you. They know that they want you. It's not that they don't. But perhaps this is what they really need to work hard on, to show the emotions, to open up. For some reason, they are detached, and that is what they need to work on. Let's see. And here with the Justice card, I think things will get sorted out. With the King of Swords, the Five of Swords, the Three of Swords, again. First of all, with the Ten of Swords, what I feel this, and the Justice over here, what I feel this is situation is getting over. This situation is getting over. This situation is ending, to breathe a sigh of relief, and things are getting balanced. The King of Swords once again, with the Five of Swords and the Three of Swords. Actually, there has been something over here which is, maybe it was a fight or an argument between both of you. Some sort of agony, some sort of real heartbreak is there. A lot of detachment, cold behavior, everything is there. But I think that situation is coming to an end with the Ten of Swords. And as the Seven of Swords had come up over there, and the Six of Pentacles, so what I feel is maybe there was some sort of secrets being kept, or perhaps uh, somebody was being a little sneaky in their behavior, but trying to sort out things. Let me see what else do I have for Aquarians. With the Four of Wands, yeah, things are getting sorted out. The passion will be there. You will be happy, and you will be, I think, celebrating and enjoying with them. With the Seven of Pentacles, yeah. One more, let's see. The Moon, the Ace of Pentacles. Now again, both of them want to come off. The Nine of Swords and the Four of Pentacles. See, what I feel here is that with the Four of Wands, both of you definitely will be happy. You have deep roots in this relationship. You have a lot of connection. With the Moon, use your instincts, use your inner voice, use your intuition. Though the things may be not clear as for now, but you do have a new beginning. You do have a new beginning which is going to give you stability. With the Nine of Swords coming out in the mutual energy and the Four of Pentacles, I think there is a lot of anxiety on both the sides, lot of anxiety, lot of sleepless nights, lot of overthinking. With the Four of Pentacles, both of you are holding back. Both of you are holding back. Things perhaps are not very clear. You are not even expecting that things will be okay between both of you. Perhaps it can be that. So that is the uncertainty. But I think both of you can work together for this new beginning. You can. This situation seems to be getting over with the Justice, and things will be balanced, because here we have the Sun and the Star. And with the Devil, I don't see there is anything else. Maybe with the Five of Swords there has been some fight or some argument for both of you, but yes, it has definitely affected this relationship a lot, because this person on this side feels a lot of heartbreak over here. There has been a lot of heartbreak, a lot of anxiety, but maybe now this person is also having the same feeling, because they now, perhaps now they realize that you are their wish fulfillment and they really want you in their life back. Let's see what is the guidance. I don't know, two cards want to come out. First is, first of all, number 6 and number 42, which is again 6. Maybe of some significance for you. Be willing to express love. Express love to receive love. So that is what you need to do. You need to be more expressive. You need to be more expressive. Somebody here needs to be more expressive. As I said, the passion is there, but somebody is being very cold. Maybe it's a behavior. Rest and relaxation is essential. We all have a fundamental need to take a break. So if it is a relationship in which you are definitely taking a break here, somebody is healing over here, somebody is already being detached, not investing in the relationship, so perhaps it is a time that you have taken a break from this relationship, and things will be sorted out, because we do have a new beginning over here. We do have things getting sorted out with the justice card, with the 10 of swords. This situation is getting over. This situation is getting over, though it may not seem like that to you, because this person is not opening up as for now, but they do know that you are the wish fulfillment. They really want you. They know that you give happiness in their life. Okay, this person is addicted to you also. That's what I'm getting. This person is addicted to you. They know that you are the one, but for some reason this person is not investing in the relationship. They are being cold. Okay, but I think things will be sorted out. There will be a new beginning over here. So Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.